Let's make it happen. Whenever you are ready, let's see it. Down, controlled. Press up. Down. Good. Nice. There we go. Nice soft hold on the Superman. Let's see it. Down, controlled. Press up. Down slow into our push-up. Row. Chest and hips pointed down on that row. Downward dog. Nice tap. Right on down. Let's see it. There we go. Press up. Now controlled push-up. Stay controlled here. Nice. Halfway there. Right on down. Good. Superman. Smooth into it. Nice hold. Good. Press up. Let's see it. There we go. Push up. Good. Come on. Row. Row. Backing on up. Shoulder tap. Walking on down. 3 more. 3 more. Stay focused. Stay focused. Let's go. Good. Hands back. Press up. Right on down. Push up. Row. Good. Nice. Down control. Down control. Good. 2 more. 2 more. There we go, Romelle. Keep working. Keep working. Superman. Nice control. Press up. Right on down. Push up. Row. Down slow. 1 more. 1 more. Let's go. There we go. Good. Press up. Push up. Come on. Come on. Row. Chest and hips pointed down. Back it on up. Shoulder tap. Very nice. Come on up. Nice. Nice job. All right. We're going right into our hip circle work. Just like we did that last set. One side, other side, squat. We got 10. Now, obviously, we're tired coming out of there. That's what we want. I want to see steady movement here with the lower body now that we're tired. Nice steady movement. There we go. Nice, good squat. Each rep. Good. Keeping that slight bend in the knees. Perfect. Forward, to the side, back, squat. 2. Nice squat. Let's make it a perfect squat each rep. Good. 3. There we go. 4. Keep on moving. Steady movement. Right into the next one. Good. Other side. Nice squat. 5. There we go. Good breathing. Right into it. Nice squat. Right to that first side. There we go. There we go. Good. Squat. 3 more. Good. Come on. Come on. Good. Nice squat. 2 more. Good. There we go. Nice squat. 1 more. 1 more. Here we go. All the way down, all the way up on the squat. Let's see it. Make it perfect. Make it perfect. Good. Nice job.